Today I'm going to break down exactly how I made over $11,000 in only 8 days dropshipping. Yes, you heard that right, over $11,000 in only 8 days. And if you want to know how I did it and how you can do the same, then make sure you watch the whole video for the breakdown. And this isn't some generic dropshipping advice, I'm going to share the exact steps and the tools I use to hit that goal. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Now the first thing that you need to do is find a winning product. Now a lot of people think it's all about luck or guessing, but the truth is you need to research before picking anything to sell. I spent time looking at trending products on platforms like TikTok and Facebook, but just because something's trending, it isn't guaranteed to be a winner. You need to validate that the product is doing well. I use tools like ShopHunter to help me find the right product and validate it before jumping in. You can sign up with them by using my link in the description. Now once you've got your product, it's time to build your Shopify store. Now here's the thing, your store needs to look professional if you want to make sales. You can't throw together a basic store and expect customers to trust you. A branded, clean design will make all the difference. I made sure to use high quality images and detailed product descriptions, and a simple modern design. This helps you build trust with your audience and increases conversion rates. Now once your store is set up, it's time to drive traffic. I tested multiple ads with small budgets to see which one performed the best. I didn't just throw money on one ad set and just hope for the best. And the platform that I used for my ads was TikTok. And the key is to test first and track the results, and then scale the ads that are working. Don't make the mistake of overspending before you know what's converting. Start small, optimize, and scale when you find a winner. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Now speaking about scaling, you need to scale your dropshipping business. But here's the thing, scaling is not about throwing more money at ads. It's about optimizing, tracking performance, and scaling what's working. I reinvested my profits back into ads and focused on fine-tuning my store to convert better. You can't just expect instant results. You've got to refine your approach and keep tweaking things until you find a system that works for you. Now if you follow the steps that I've shared in this video, find the right product, build a store, test ads properly, and work with a reliable supplier like CJ Dropshipping, you yourself can get the same results. So guys, these are the key principles I used to make over $11,000 in only 8 days dropshipping. Now if you want to watch a video of me doing that and breaking down the products that I use, well make sure you click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.